going on, guys? It's Bucks Forex here, and today I'm back for another breakdown of the Judas swing trade ICT strategy using the Asian session, and today we're on the GBPUSD currency pair. Before I get into the trade, as you can see here, we had a lovely 1 to 4.2% risk to ratio that bagged us a lovely $4,000 on this trade. Before I get into the breakdown, go into the description, get yourself in my Discord. We have VIP signals in there that I send in every single day. You can trade alongside me. The Discord is free to join, so make sure you get involved. Don't be shy, come and say hello and see what's going on. But enough of the waffling, let's get straight into this breakdown. So first of all, let me just get rid of all of this stuff on the screen. I do also have a checklist. So the first thing we need to do here is look for a sweep of the Asia high or low. If you don't know what the Asia high or low means, this blue box here is the Asian session. The indicator I use to display this box is called the Asian session range by Rob Minty. Now once you've got this set up and converted to your time zone, you can draw your lines from the top and the bottom of Asia session. Once you've extended these lines across, it's really simple. All you have to do now is wait for price to either pass through the low or the high. In this scenario, it's down here, so we're expecting price to pass through this low before a push up. So we'll just play price out. And there we are, almost straight away today. So this was a nice and early sweep, bang on 7 AM. Now you have a sweep of the Asia low or high. In this scenario, it's the low. We move on to step number 2. We're looking for a market structure shift on our 5-minute time frame. It's very important, guys, that we're on the 5-minute time frame, as if we're on the 1 minute, price is too choppy, some of the market structure shifts don't count, they're invalid, it's just too noisy down there, okay? So we stick to the 5-minute time frame and we wait for a market structure shift to the upside. Now, how do I identify a market structure shift, you're asking? All you have to do is you have to identify a point of interest here, close enough to the sweep. The closest high to the sweep, I would say, if it's the low, and the closest low to the sweep if it's the high. As we're sweeping Asia low today, we're picking the closest high. We swept, we're pushing back up. Now it's important that the candle closes above this market structure shift. If it does not count, because there's a thing as a wick rejection. So if this candle wicked and headed towards the downside again, it would not be counted. But luckily for us, as you can see, we sweep the Asia low again. Soon enough, we have our candle close above our market structure shift. So that there solidifies our market structure shift. Even if you wanted to put the market structure shift here, it is still closed above. So there we are, we have 2 market structure shifts here. We'll use this one for the sake of the vid. So we had a push, we had a high, a push down for the sweep, and then a market structure shift here and a close above. Once you've got these 3 things already, we move on to the next part of our checklist. As you can see, number 1, sweep of the Asia low. Number 2, market structure shift on the 5-minute time frame, candle closed above, job done. Number 3, now we're looking for our order block or our fair value gap entry. Now, this varies every single trade you place, as sometimes there will be a lovely fair value gap to enter, and sometimes there will be a nice order block. Today, I decided there wasn't any fair value gaps that took my eye. I think this one is too small for me to be interested in, so I just went for the classic order block. Yeah, so we draw the order block out, we will mark that. We have our order block. Now we have our order block entry prepared, we can draw our entry up. Now the criteria for our entry is the stop loss below the low, and we are targeting the opposing liquidity on the other end. So if we had swept Asia high, for example, the sweep leaves candles here, we would put our stop loss above the sweep and we would target Asia low for TP. In today's trade, we swept the low, we've had our market structure shift, We've found our order block entry. Now we can just place our long position here. Stop loss below the low. We can target Asia high, leaving us a lovely... Hang on, I had my order block in the wrong place. That's my fault. Target Asia high for a lovely 4.3 risk to reward. Now, we wait for this to play out. We draw on our order block, and as you can see there, we had a perfect tap entry right here. Look at how clean our entry is. And we play price out and see what happens. And shortly, boom, we smash take profit. And just like that, you've had your Asia low sweep, your market structure shift, identified the order block, got your entry in, and smashed TP. In just 3 hours and 40 minutes, we smashed TP. So you can set this in the morning, off you go to work or the gym, you come back and you've got your money. Lovely stuff. So this is a 1 to 4.3 risk to reward, meaning if you're risking $10, you make 43. If you're risking $100, you make 430. And if you're risking $1,000, you're making a lovely 4.3k. $4,300 in the bank for you with a simple trade. Let me just remind you again, I have a free Discord in the description, so get yourself down, don't be shy, come and say hello, explore the VIP section. Let's see if you want to jump on board. You can trade with us every single day and get my live signals, so I will do the chart work for you. You can sit back and wait for your phone to ping and catch the profits with us. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you've got any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments. I'll be replying to every single one. Happy trading, guys. Take care.